Our hearts shine with compassion.
With our director and principal leading the way, they guide us with wisdom through every new day. In labs and in classrooms, in work and in play, they help us find strength in all that we see. So here's to the founder and the dream he began, to the teachers and staff and the path that they plan. We are the future, the BDWIS plan, changing the world because we know that we can.
Makes a difference tomorrow. Whatever you do today makes a difference tomorrow. Your efforts that you put in your academics, on the sports field, on the dance floor, whatever, it will make a difference and you will bear fruits accordingly. So it's how much we give in is what we get out of it.